So, today we're going to do the bouncing challenge. Okay, let's do this. Hello. Hello. My name is Jace. Jace. Yeah, this is Jace. Oh, yeesh. Alright, so today we're going to talk about my schedule. Okay, so take a good seat. That's a seat. Okay, let me just get on the schedule path. Let's do this. Got it. One day, on one day, we're going to make one video. On one day, we're going to make one video. Just get back on our path. The way we started it. Okay. Let me say something, Braiden. Hey, Braiden! You're just a piece of poop. Oh! You know what?
You know we're related.
You know what? You know what? Oh, look! You have 30 subscribers! But you know what? You know what I expected? 0 subscribers! Oh, let me feel your bum. Oh, your bum is warm. Oh, I'm roasting it with a pan! You know what? My schedule is better than your schedule, you little bum! Sorry, Dad. If you're watching this, I kind of stole the music.
No, you didn't. You hummed it.
Yes, that's true. I hummed it. But, you know what? You're just a piece of poop! You knucklehead! Yeah.
I give myself.
Yeah, that's right. You know what you are? Oh, my face is beautiful.
I'll tell you what
What?
I was left behind.
You know what? My face is beautiful than yours. If you think I'm ugly, oh, right back at ya. Yeah, right back at ya. Hot dog.
Whoa!
Yeah. Oh, sorry, they stole your thing, Braiden. Oh, you little bum. And I hope you have a. Yeah, actually, you were friends. Yeah. And also, I hope you have a very, very zombie day. See you later.